I was gifted the Ultrasonic Retainer Cleaner by Comfy, and I've been using it every day since. Right away, I noticed how simple it is to use. Just one button starts the cleaning process, and in about 5 minutes, everything feels fresh and ready to go again. I use it for my partial, but it's also perfect for mouth guards, night guards, and even small jewelry. The cleaner has this quiet vibration technology that lifts away buildup without damaging anything, and the UV light gives me extra peace of mind when I want that deep, refreshing clean. I also love that it's super compact. I've been able to take it with me while traveling, and it doesn't take up much space on the counter at home either. The materials feel durable, and the fact that it's water resistant is a huge bonus. It even comes with cleaning tablets to help cut through any odors. Honestly, if you wear any kind of dental appliance, this little machine makes daily care so much easier.